What? You still love me, so? See, you're talking too much now. What's that now? Are you ready to tell me what you do for a living? How can I not know? You know what I do for a living. I should know what my boyfriend does too. I know you're crazy about me. Yeah, I know. But at least I should get to know what you do for a living. Since we started this relationship, I've been very open to you. So what stops you from letting me know some certain things about you? I love you too. Are you going to tell me? If I should come tomorrow, are you going to tell me? So it's no longer a phone talk. Fine. I'm not going to work tomorrow. I want to go and make my hair. Okay, maybe from the salon I'll come over. Stop, Joe. I miss you too. Okay. You know what I like now? Fruits now. Apple, banana. Okay. Alright. I love you.
What is the problem? Can you talk to me? What is it? Speak up. What is the problem?
I'm broken up with him.
You've broken up with him?
Yes.
You think it's the best thing to do right now?
Yes. It's the best thing to do.
What makes you think so?
How can he be so stubborn? Eh? How can he know 95% of me and I don't know a thing about him? Is it fair? He's damn stubborn. What's all this now? Yes, I know he's crazy about me, but why is it that I can't get to know him very well? Eh? I've been very open since we started this relationship.
And at this point, you feel that breaking up with him is the best option?
Yes. See, babe, I know I love him, right?
I know you do.
I still know what I want. I know what I want.
Oh, can I tell you something? I am not here to tell you what to do, not to tell you to say no to what you don't want. But then this is love. We're talking about hair. And the guy I know is obsessed with you. So just be careful of what you say and be careful of your actions. Try and be intentional. Know exactly what you want and go for what you want. That's it. He is obsessed with you. That's all I see.
You know I love this guy, right?
I know. I know. That's why you need to be very careful with your decisions. I understand how you feel. But please be careful. Please.
Do you know that he threatened me?
Threatened you with what?
He said if he cannot have me, no one else will.
And you call that a threat? That's not a threat. It's not. To me, it's not. He's obsessed with you. He's obsessed with you. Yes, if he cannot have you, no one else will. It's not a threat. He loves you and he wants to keep you. So don't see that as a threat. It's not to me. Please.
I'm confused.
Just be intentional. And be sure of what you want. Go for what you want.
I don't know what to do right now, seriously.
It's okay.
I don't even know what I know.
It's okay. What's up? Sorry, I wasn't telling anyone, sir. Please, when you call me, she'll show you something. Are you okay?
Yeah, babe. I'm not comfortable with my guy. I'm not comfortable with his lifestyle.
You're not comfortable with your guy's lifestyle. How? What happened?
Like, he knows almost 95% about me, things about me, but I don't know anything about him. And anytime I raise the issue, we'll start quarreling, we'll start fighting.
Okay, what effort have you put in this? Like the woman in his life, how many times have you called him to try to know what he does or where he goes or whatever?
See, babe, you wouldn't even understand. Listen, I know I'm the playful type, right? And I'm also a very responsible girl that comes from a responsible family. So now, what I do for a living, he knows. He knows everything about me. But then anytime I raise an issue concerning him, or for me to get to know him more better, he will just get angry unnecessarily, and the whole of that day will be spoiled. He's so stubborn. Do you know that he gives me money, like good cash? I don't know his office. I don't know how he gets the money. Like, he gives me good cash anytime I ask for money. Oh my goodness, he's so caring to the core. Like, whatever I ask, so long as it's cash, he gives me. Okay, now, what if something happens to me and I'm called to come and explain? But what will I tell them that, okay, this is what he does? I don't know if you get me.
From what you've said now, you're not comfortable with the way he makes money or something.
Babe, I don't know what he does for a living, but then he has money.
Okay.
He's always spending good cash. He's always giving me money.
Okay. Do you know his friends?
I don't know anybody. I've not seen any of his friends before.
Do you know any of his family members?
That's the strange part of it. I don't know anybody.
Okay. At this point now, can I advise you?
Go ahead now, I'm listening.
Okay. What you will do now is make out time to monitor his calls.
Babe, you don't even know this guy. He's damn smart. He will just be here and receive one kind of call and say, babe, let's talk later and all that.
Make out time to be with him from morning till night. Inside his house. There's no way you will not hear one or two. From a man's call or from a woman's call, conversations, you'll be able to know the kind of friends he keeps. And if you're smart enough, you get your information and move to the next level. Yes.
Oh my God! Who is she? Is she dead? Why did you even get to my house?
Madam, she's alive. Her name is Esther. She's my girlfriend.
Why did you bring your girlfriend here?
Madam, she just broke up with me. If I can't have her, no one in this world will ever have her. Please, I want her to go stay with the other girls in one of the rooms.
Oh, is that it?
Yes, ma'am.
It's alright. You can take her to the girls' room. It's okay.
I would like to be with her tonight. Maybe tomorrow.
You're a bad boy. Are you not? Okay. Go and have fun.
How are you?
Fine.
You still angry with me?
And what kind of question is that? Is that why you brought me out here? To annoy me the more? Eh?
Baby, I love you. Baby, I love you so much. I really do. I brought you here so I could be seeing your pretty face every day. I just want to be seeing you every day of my life, okay? I love you. I truly do. You know it.
It seems like you don't have anything reasonable to say.
I brought you this. I want you to use it to buy yourself anything you want. Get yourself whatever you need, okay?
I can't buy anything here. I know where Angela is. Yes, I saw her today.
Then you have to take her
No,
out.
that's where the problem is.
What are you talking about?
You see, she was kidnapped.
She was?
As a matter of fact, she's still in their custody.
But you just told me that you saw her today.
Yes, I did. She's in a horrible place called the Fun Zone.
Fun Zone. I think I've heard of that place before. The place they said one Mrs. Flora is using innocent girls to make money.
Exactly. But the problem is how to take her out from there. You know the security there is very tight.
What do we do now?
Let me tell you.
Hey girls, like we normally do. So, this is a normal rehab, so let's start. Your position. 1, 2, ready, go. Pause. You have to pause before you start. 1, 2, ready, go. Nice.
How's everyone doing? I must say I am proud of you girls. I mean, you've been putting in your effort. The most important thing is that you own it, believe you can do it, and you will do it. Right. So, how's the rehearsal been going? Fine. Brian has been drilling you on. I hope he's not been too tough. No. Okay, let's see what you guys got. Especially you. Let me see you walk. Now, okay. There. There. I like what you particularly do. Always remember when you walk. Feel like you own it. Chin up. Smile if you have to. Turn around. Chin up again. Carry yourself like the queen that you are. And that's it. It's pretty easy, right? Yeah. Let me see you walk. You never have problem with your walking. Yes. I hope you're better now. Yeah. Okay, so do it. Yeah. See, the problem is the way you turn. You're like this. Remember, when you get there, you turn it. Okay, yeah, exactly. Yeah. So let's have you turn again. Okay. Yeah. There you go. Let's have you work. There. Look up. There.
Here are my girls. You can now make your choice.
You have enough girls here. Enough. Different categories.
Lovely girls.
Alright, let me start from you. Let me see what you have.
Yes. Yeah. The wonderful quick ruler.
That girl. Can I see what you have?
Oh! Pardon. Oh! That's wonderful. Yeah. My girls are quintessential. Elegant.
Slim girl. Let me see what you have.
Oh. This one is called Pinot. Pinoristic Pinot.
This one with means iron sharpening.
Oh, exactly.
I like something huge. Fair. Fair girl, let me see what you have.
Try and put up a smile on your face.
Oh, I love them. Man, I think this one is okay.
Oh no! If you want thick, I have thick thing that will make you comfortable. Young lady, come on.
Show
Show him what you got. Loaded. Completely loaded.
Like I said before, I love them huge and fair. Yes, especially fair. I think I will go with her.
Is that all you want here? Okay, let me do it. Since you want thick girls, right? I'm going to merge 2 girls for you.
No. I prefer only her.
I know what I'm talking about because this girl is kinda stupid, lazy, lousy, and what have you. I'm telling you, you will not enjoy her.
Come on, madam. I love them lazy. I am here to do the job. I can wash plates, do all those things myself. Don't worry about that one, okay? I'll take care of it. I think she's okay for me.
Alright. If she is a choice, who am I to say no? Hey! Hold your 2 ears. Listen and listen good. If I hear any complaint, trust me, I am going to double your task. I am not playing. Make sure he comes out very happy. Did you hear what I have said? Have I made myself clear? Alright, girls. You may all go back to your station now. Alright, you can now go and enjoy yourself. Alright. Baby. I've really missed you.
I've missed you more. What happened? How did you get here?
I was kidnapped the day you proposed to me.
I blame myself for that. I would have taken him myself.
But baby, you know it's not your fault. Nobody knew this was going to happen. How long are you staying here?
I told her 12 hours.
Okay.
Yes, although she said it's too much. But she allowed me because she thinks that Alice, your sister, is my sister.
Baby, I pray this woman doesn't find out we are tricking her.
No.
She's very unforgiving.
I know. She will not find out.
Are you sure?
I am sure of that.
Okay,
Okay?
baby. Okay, baby. I'm so happy you are here.
How far, babe? That your last client. Hope he paid well.
Of course he did. Am I mad? Me and money. I beg. He paid very well. Very well.
I trust you.
Baby.
Hi, girls.
How far?
Hi, girls.
Hi, doing?
What's up?
Oh my god. Yes. I used to hate this place before, but now I love it.
You can't say that again. Girls, guess what? I have saved up to ₦1 million.
Wow, me too. Mine is close to 1 million.
That reminds me.
What?
Why did it have bring all this idea before? At least you would have been a millionaire now.
You're right though, but don't worry guys. We're going to make all the money we want here soon. Trust me.
Yes. I hope so.
You're looking good. Look at your hair.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Okay, take it from the back. Okay. Thank you. Okay, girls, I think we should practice what Madam taught us the other day. Okay. Do you remember? She said we should do the right leg in front. Then you put your hand on your waist. Put your head up and the stomach kiss. Then we move on the count of 3. Okay? Alright. 1, 2, 3.
Well done, girl.
Thank you.
I've been working in the agency for years. I'm not here only to make you up, but I can also teach you.
Wow, thank you very much.
And while your madam employed me, it's not only for makeup and your hair. I can only teach you how to catwalk and the rest. First of all, you right leg on the front. Facial reaction, your face, smile. Your left leg on the front like catwalking. Then let's go. You got it. Let's go.
Okay.
Very simple. I told you guys it's very easy. Then right now you got to come and do yours.
Me?
Yeah.
Okay, so
Your right leg, yeah. Your hand on your hip. Your facial reaction is mine. Okay? Yeah, let's try. Yeah, you will come to something, see your weight, your hand on your weight. Okay, let's go. You can.
Wow. Ladies, how are you? Wow, Brian. Oh. Yeah, I remember this is part of your work, right?
Very fast.
That is good. Indeed, that is good. So girls, you guys are really doing well. I'm looking exquisitely gorgeous.
thank you very much.
You're welcome. Now, let me assure you guys, I did not make mistake when I selected you guys. Because I know that you guys will give my sister what she wants. And believe me, my sister will take you guys to the climax.
Wow.
Yeah, she will really make you guys to become the models of your heart desire. That is good. So with what I'm saying, you guys are really doing well. And Brian, you are really doing a nice job here. I love it. You're welcome.
You know, when you told me about it, I thought you were joking. You didn't post it. Thank you very much.
You're
So
welcome.
very soon, people will be seeing us on television.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Celebrity, indeed. I love that word, celebrity. Yeah. So you guys should keep it up. I love what you guys are doing here. You know. So, but let me just observe you guys a little before I take my leave. So I watch you guys.
Yeah, then you cross your leg, see your feet, your hand on your waist. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, go. Steady. Okay. serious. You got it.
That is good. That is good. I'm impressed. Alright, so you guys should keep on, okay?
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Again, now we have like so we come to your facial expression matter.
Sis, I'm about to leave now. There's no water in the house, so you will have to replace it. You know I won't be coming back early. Huh? Sis? What's the problem?
I have been thinking.
Thinking about what?
That woman you told me. The one that kidnaps women and abuses them.
Sis? How could you? I mean, what brought about that woman's topic again? I thought we've ironed that out.
Ironed what? We haven't even started talking about it. I've been thinking of how best to bust her. I mean, I need to get that woman arrested. Yes.
No way. I mean, no way. That woman is so powerful. Don't do anything stupid though, sis. I mean, she will run you over. Don't even try to get on her lane. I mean, she will crush you. She's then fucking powerful.
So why? Why shouldn't I do something about it? Huh?
Sis, now you have your own girls. So why don't you just take off your eyes from anything that has to do with that woman and mind your business? Yes, don't say I didn't want you. I mean, don't just go cross any boundary that has to do with that woman. She will run you over. Believe me. Please. I don't need any stories. Please. Alright, so please, when you are done, just try to get those water.
How about you get it on your way back?
Hello, can you hear me? Guess what? Mrs. Flora has been arrested. Yes, you heard me right. I said she has been arrested. I told you it's just a matter of time. I am so happy. I cannot even wait to get home. Yes, it calls for celebration, of course. I'm coming home. Alright, bro, I love you. See you soon.
Cindy, what is wrong with you? Why can't you listen to his simple instructions?
I was just doing what is right. Right? That woman is holding those girls against their wish. That is called kidnapping, and kidnapping is a crime in this country.
Cindy, it seems you don't want to listen to me. Leave her the hell alone. What's wrong with you? See, Cindy, try to understand me. That one is so powerful. And you think you can arrest her?
Well, maybe I am not able to arrest her right now. But trust me, I will definitely figure a way to get that woman arrested. Alright? I will.
Cindy, you see, you just have to let things be the way they are. What is wrong with you? Cindy, listen to me. I don't want to see you anywhere close to that woman's house. Am I understood?
Please find something else to say, please.
Why can't you just listen to me and let things be the way they should be? Shit. Well, I don't blame you. I blame myself. Assuming I didn't tell you about this woman, you wouldn't have, be acting so weird and strange and stubborn.
Hello? What do you mean by you are in Lagos? Better go back to the US. Did she hang the phone on me when I'm still talking? This girl won't kill me. These children won't let me be.
Everybody wants to make money. Oh, yeah. We want to get the best from life. Oh, yeah. But all the glitters and never gold. So open your eyes and see. Follow life with oh, not do pass yourself. Oh, no one knows what tomorrow brings. Be careful what to do. Follow life with oh, not do pass yourself. Oh, inside life no the balance at all. Some are free, some are in bondage because of their quest for money. Then go promise you, say the journey go easy. But when you come, story go change. Oh, take life with it. Oh, not do pass yourself. Oh, no one knows what tomorrow brings. Be careful what to do. Balance at all. Follow life with no do pass yourself. Oh, no do pass yourself. Oh, because you can find yourself for God. Follow life with no do pass yourself. Oh, everything go day better, but you need to work hard for yourself. Be careful what to do. Follow life with yourself. Oh, inside life no the balance at all.
Oh my God, is this my mama? Oh God damn it, mama, you look so pretty. Damn, woo, it's bouncing, mama. I'm just like you, mama. You look so pretty. Your girl is back, mama.
Steph, what are you doing in Nigeria?
Come on, mom. I miss you. I miss you so much.
I ask you not to come back to Nigeria here.
Come on, mama. Things wasn't going well for me, ma. I lost my job.
That's not enough reason.
Huh?
You have a house of your own, and I send goddamn fucking money always to you.
No, mom, come stop it. I expect you to be happy that your girl is back. No, not like this. Yes. What's up, mom? Why are you doing this? Are you telling me I'm not welcome in my own mama's house?
Excuse you?
No, don't be a bad mom. I never know you to be a bad mom. You have always been a good mama. Come on. Get used to it, mom. I have come to stay. Trust me. You have
my money.
Oh.
Will you drive up this compound before I sniff life out of you?
Hell no, mom. Stop it. Mama, stop it. Stop it. I said you bet you used to me. Be used to me. I don't like. Hey, my nigga. Go get my things.
Alright, madam. Drive up this compound now! What's that?
So I can see we are all dressed for the event. That is good, that is good. I love it. Okay, so we'll just have to rehearse our dancing steps before my sister comes out. Brian, could you see? I can see your handwork. You've done a good job. So alright, without wasting much of our time, let me just put on the music so that we can dance and rehearse our steps before we move to the event. Okay?
I am sure we are all ready for the event. Yes. So we've all mastered the steps and choreography, right? Yeah. So nobody will fall my hand. Yeah. So now we are all going to live on a single path. Starting from you. So walk it, girl. Let's see. Work it. Good. Oh. Yes, definitely ready. Let's go. Let's go. Working.
That's good. That's good.
Yes.
I'm ready for it.
So let's go.
Ready for it. I'm gonna be at your back.
So, girls, go. Come on, everyone.
Wait a minute, wait. You know, I've been thinking. I can't believe Mom actually don't want me to come back to Nigeria. Why?
Same thing she told me.
So why is she doing that? Doesn't she want us around?
You know, she said something about her illegal business. Since people try to get her and they can't, that means they'll try to get us, her kids.
Is that the reason she's doing all of this?
Wait. You know, talking about business. Are you telling me that Mom is still holding those girls on stage?
Yes, she is.
Really?
I want to get mad at Mom though, but I can't. Because that business is actually favoring me. Now I can get any girl I want, anytime I want.
Spoiled brat.
Indeed.
doing? Barista.
So it's you, the so-called Mrs. What's that thing they call you, Mrs. Flora?
And you, the stupid model. I heard you came to my house the other day.
Yes, I came to your house and I am sure they told you. Let me tell you, that is not the last of it. You will still hear the last of me. I will get you arrested.
I want to warn you. Stay in your space. Because if you cross my path, I am going to strangle you. Have you heard about me?
You will do no such thing.
Do you know what stuff I am made of?
I am not afraid of you.
You are not afraid of me.
I am not afraid of you.
Then I will show you the stuff I am made of. You are not stupid to cross my path.
I am going to get you arrested.
Cross my path.
I will get you arrested. You will pay for your
I will struggle you.
You evil woman.
I will deal with you.
Deal what with me?
Try me.
You will do nothing.
Try me.
Nothing. Useless woman.
You have the gun.
You will pay for all your sins.
I said you have the gun.
You will rot in jail.
All right. Let's see how it goes.
Okay. You look so good. Thank you. Aww. Oh, thank you. Tell me. So tell me.
So hot.
Thank you. You like what you say?
I love everything.
You sure? Aww.
So what are you going to do to me today?
You know, I'm gonna touch you more.
Okay.
I'll touch you like never before. The way I was rolling. Rolling it.
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah.
Aww. Okay, so tell me more. Like how do you really want it more?
Yeah. This time I want it from the back.
What do you think about us?
Wow, so cute.
What's so cute about it?
I love the pink one. It's my favorite color.
It's not so special.
Don't say that. Cute. I think you should get it for me.
Nah. I don't think there's anything special here.
Don't be such a
No, don't matter either. I'm just saying there's nothing special here. That's alright.
Where is Steph? Have you guys seen her?
No?
Have you checked her room?
I'm just coming out from there. She's not there.
Or maybe she went out.
I guess so.
Yeah.
Really? You want it from the back, you naughty boy. What the hell are you doing here? What the hell out of this place? Stupid girl!
Come on, let's go back to work with me.
I'm sorry about that.
Come on.
You naughty you?
Hey.
You know I love you, right?
Really?
Yeah. You're the most beautiful girl I've ever met.
Oh, I bet you also say that to the other girls in this house, right?
Oh, come on. How can I say that to other girls? It's just you.
Okay. So what about the money promised me?
The money.
Yeah.
I'll give you the money very soon, okay?
You sure?
Yeah, of course I'm sure.
Okay.
Huh?
Alright.
Thank you, my love.
Baby, how are you?
I'm fine, just worried about you. I brought this for you.
What's that?
Female condom.
What for? You know I don't need this. I've not done anything with anybody since I came into this house. I always tell them I'm in my period, so I don't know why you even brought this.
Baby, you won't be in your period forever. Keep it in case, please.
Baby, I don't need this, please.
Please keep it in case, please. Okay? Biko.
How long are you staying today?
Are we spending the night here?
Really? That's so good. Baby, I've missed you.
I've missed you right back, baby.
I'm so happy you're here.
I'll always come here for you.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you. I don't know what I would have done without you. What's up, babe? You do like this sense.
Yeah, what's the problem?
I'm just tired. I want to go home. Please just chill, okay? None of us is happy to be here too. I know one day we're going to live here, alright?
See, babe, stop crying. We will stay here forever. Yeah, one day we all will just, we don't even know how it will happen. Sorry, stop crying. This crying will not help you. It will not help you.
I'm tired. I want to leave. I'm tired. I want to go. None of us is happy to be here too. I know how you feel. I want to go.
This crying will not.
I know we'll live here someday. I don't know how we're going to do, but I know we're going to live here someday. Okay? I'm not happy to be here too. No, I want to go. I really want to go. Live here. It's okay. I'm tired.
What's the argument all about? I'm asking you. Why are you disturbing the peace of this house? What is it? By the way, who amongst you started this accident? She's the one.
It's the two of them.
How?
My mommy is not. I'm not sure.
Shut up! Your business here is not to come here to make noise. You are employed here to eat and face your business and not to rant about. That is why you're here. Can you imagine? Mom, wait. Hold on. Wait. Like seriously? My mom is talking to you guys and you're folding your hands. Will you keep it down? And you, like seriously, your hand on a jaw? What is that? What are you doing now? Really? Mom, why are you talking? And this dirty fat pig stepping close. You know what I say? She's the worst among them. Why can't they just be like her? Can't you see how dirty she looks? Like a dirty fat pig. Look at the rest of them. And the next time my mom talks and anybody, I'm out of here. Please don't think.
So that she's still making money for me. She's useful now.
Anytime she lost her usefulness, I'll sack her. And I'll kill her off. Idiot. Let me sound a note of warning. Hold your ears, you animal. Hold your ears, that's what I said. Are you not hearing what I'm saying? I mean, hold your ears with your two hands. The very next time I am being disturbed by your nonsense in this house, I will crack all your teeth and feed you with them. That's a promise. Nonsense.
Imagine, why did you point me? Was it like that it was me? Why did you point me? I'm asking. I don't understand. Why did you point me? Why was the one making noise? You want to die before you marry. Why are you fighting me now? What did I do? I don't like your feelings. I don't like it. Hold your ear. Use your ear. If you attack your ear. Oh. No, you dirty pig. Hold your ear. Somebody cannot just be suffering happily again. This one should just allow us to suffer happily. Eh? You and who is this in this house? She cannot even express herself. I'm tired of this whole thing. I am tired. You that ways and ways. You know that this is my place. I don't understand. You bring any clothes to this house? It doesn't matter. Whenever you see Dr. alone, whenever you see Esther's clothes, you must not have this time. Madam, come back this place.
I want you to talk to Mom. You're the eldest. About what exactly? The way she's treating those girls, she has to take it easy on them. I don't understand. Wait. You know Mom won't listen to me. Yeah, she won't listen to me. You know that.
I guess she would.
No, she won't. And whatever Mom is doing, it's not my business. It's not your business. So please just let her be.
Of course. I know you wouldn't have anything reasonable to say.
What? Vivian, did you just walk a bit? You sigh? Vivian! Wow! Wow! How is all this my business? Vivian!
Why did you transfer a whopping sum of 2 million naira from my account to yours? Why?
Mom, I needed the money.
You needed the money. You could have asked for it than doing this. This is stealing.
Mom, you won't have given it to me if I asked for it. Alright, so I had to take it.
Anything. You better bring back my money. Look at the other day. You stole 500,000 naira from my room. Eh? This thing you children are doing to me, is it fair? Is it fair? Anything? See, let me tell you, if you don't give me back this money, there's no other time you're going to ask for anything and I will listen to you in this house.
I'm sorry, Mom. The money's gone.
I will not take this. Give it to me. I want money.
Really? Oh. Oh my God. Okay, I'll just call me, Robin, and I'm going to speak to you now. Yeah, I will. Yeah, nothing you. Oh my God. Yeah, I know. Oh my God. Oh, here, just for the phone right now.
What's she up to again?
I guess she was expecting someone, and that someone just came in.
Let's see who it is then.
Yeah. Oh my God. I love that. Tell Mom all this. Oh, my brother.
Hello.
And my baby sister.
Hi, hello.
Can you say I?
Alright.
So tell me more. My mom. Say hi. And who is
Good evening.
Mom, dad, my friend. So tell me more.
So what's all this drama all about?
Well, why are you asking questions? You saw it yourself. What do you expect us to say?
Inside life no dey balance at all. Some are free, some are in bondage because of their quest for money. Them go promise you, say the journey go easy, but when you come, story go change. Oh, take life with JJ. Not you pass yourself. Oh, no one knows what tomorrow brings. Be careful what to do. Follow life with JJ. Not you pass yourself. Oh, inside life no dey balance at all. Follow life with JJ.
Angela, right? That's your name?
Yes.
Why are you crying? What's going on?
I want to go home.
Is that why you're crying?
Yes, of course. Isn't that enough reason for me to cry?
Yeah. Tell me, how did you end up here in the first place?
I was kidnapped by your mother's guards. The day I was engaged.
Oh, too bad. You see, I'm so sorry about that. Alright? I'm so sorry my mom and her guards ruined your beautiful day.
Thank you.
What if I found a way to sneak you out of this place?
Really?
Yes.
You get me out of here.
Bring your voice down.
Okay.
Alright?
Okay.
Go inside and clean yourself up. There's no need to cry.
Thank you.
That's enough. That's enough.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank
Go.
you. Thank you
Go
so
inside
much.
now.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Are you serious, man?
Which man?
The man in the sitting room talking with Mrs. Flora. I guess they want us.
I know they're here to have fun with one of us. So is that why you dragged me here?
Have you seen the men? They look rich. I mean very rich to me.
Serious?
Yes. I want us to go and meet Bishop now to tell him to choose us.
Alright, let's go. We need that one. Eh?
Okay.
Hey! Vivian, I am talking to you.
Yes.
What is this? Are you asking me that? Are you crazy? I have warned you. I said I don't like when you touch my paint. I don't like it. Look, I don't care where you're going. What I want right now is take off that wig now.
You're my sister. Can't I lend your wig?
Who cares if you're my sister? Vivian, I said take it off. Stop touching my paint. Stop it. I am not your mate.
I'll return it once I get back from you. I'm going to.
Idiot. The next time you touch my things, I'll give you everything. Stupid girl. Sis, don't call my name.
Sis, this is not fair.
Sis! You can't do this to me. Let me have it back.
What do you want?
I saw two rich men enter this house today.
So?
You know now, I want to be the one who gets to offend them.
Please, we can give you anything you want.
What do you have that you can possibly give to me? What do you have? Well, I'm sure you girls, you don't have money. You have nothing. That's for sure. As to sleeping with you, I don't think I want to do that because I'm sure you have some viral disease or bacteria, you know, with these. But it's okay, I'll think about it. You can go.
Thank you. Thank you. Babe, I have made a lot of money here. But wait though, why didn't I come up with this beautiful idea before?
Well, as for me, I've made up to $1 million in 1 month.
Yeah.
Well, the thing is that I'm not happy, right? I'm not happy, but they collect.
Wait, imagine how much we can make in a year. Don't you think so?
Hold on. Wait, just you people should just wait. Are you all praying to be here till the next 1 year?
No.
Okay.
Babe, we are stuck in here, nowhere to live, so get used to it.
I wonder.
Hey.
Oh, really? So, all the money you guys are making, where do you intend to spend it?
That's a valid question though.
Well, I believe that one day God will send someone that will come and save us from this house.
I hope so.
Yes, definitely.
Well, when you all are not actually talking like people who have faith or even think that they are going to leave this place.
Well, as for me, Alhaji has made me a millionaire. I can't wait to leave this place so I can lavish my money.
Me, I don't have a problem. I can stay here for an extra year.
Leave the money.
The whole thing is that business is good. Coming down. Your name is Angela, not Angel. You don't know the meaning of Angela. The meaning is an angel, a messenger of God. Probably you don't know the meaning.
Yes, dear.
First thing off, please, let's do the rehearsal.
I'm almost done then.
Fine, girl. Girls, am I dreaming? You're not dreaming, baby girl. This is reality. So Faith, will soon be going to Dubai. I can't believe it, girl. I was once an ordinary brother seller, but now I'm going to be a model. And I'm soon be traveling out of this country. Can't wait. Poverty goes to hell.
So, girls, it's time for rehearsal. Then, yes, let's change our culture. Let's go.
So, the council. Okay. Okay. Yeah, no, the whole okay. Yeah. So, the council, 3. 1, 2, 3. No.
We're still rehearsing, so no problem. Let's do it this way. Go here, she goes here, she goes here, she goes here.
I think we're going to do it together.
No, let's do it this way. She goes, you go there, she goes there, she goes there, she goes there. Let's go.
Like in triangular form?
Yeah.
Wow.
Let's go. 1, 2, 3, go. You go.
Me,
yeah. There you go. 1, 2, 3, go. One more time. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, go. Facial reaction. Okay, now let's go, girl. 1, 2, 3, go. Yeah, it's not easy, but I can't go from class to yeah. You okay? Yeah. Thank you, son. It's just a rehearsal. Thank you, son. We'll be used to it.
Let's put together an education.
Okay, let's try them on. 1, 2, 3, go. Hi, girl.
Thank you.
Yeah, let's do one more thing. Great. 1, 2, 3, go. Repeat that reaction.
What's wrong with me? Stop it!
How is it doing? I don't understand.
I feel pain. I don't know. I feel something is coming out of my head. You look like oh my God. We are living
And I think something is coming out from her private part.
How did it happen?
She said that there is pain there. I don't understand.
Okay, that's okay. I am gonna call Bishop and Wizard. Okay. We'll get rid of this before she affects others.
Mom, how could you?
I don't get it. What did I do?
How could you ask your guards to kill those girls? Why, Mom?
What do you expect me to do? Don't you get it? Those Alhaji obviously use those girls for money ritual. And they will die after all. So...
But you give the girls to the Alhaji. Mom, how could you be this mean?
Inside life no dey balance at all.
Better use your time to do something meaningful, boy. Allow the dead to bury themselves. This is business.
Some are in bondage because of their quest for money. Then go promise you, say the journey go easy. But when you come, story go change. Oh, take life with JJ. No do pass yourself. No one knows what.
Oh my God. I still can't believe that Anita is gone just like that.
No wonder they gave her that huge amount of money.
Because they used her for ritual.
This is becoming more scary. Who knows what will happen next? See, girls, we all need to be extraordinarily careful.
How? Even the protection she's giving to us, how do we not know if it's a fake one?
Girls, I think I have something that will protect us for now.
You do?
Yes, I do. Just hold on. Okay. This is it.
Please. I beg us.
At least for now, it's going to protect us.
No condom.
Yes.
And access.
Nice one.
How did you get all these condoms?
It doesn't really matter. What really matters is that you have something to protect yourself anytime you want to sleep with this man. Anytime you're meeting any client, try as much as possible to put it on. For your own good.
Let this become enough. I want it to become enough.
So long as we are here, one will be complete. Okay?
Thank you.
You always have to stay safe. Okay? I got an information that you sleep with those girls. Is that true?
Well, they're humans too, so I believe they've got feelings. And I've got feelings too, Mom. So somehow we get to help each other. Help ourselves out.
Answer my question!
Yes, Mom. I do that sometimes.
Let me advise you for your own good. Do not get anywhere close to those miscreants before you get infected.
Come on, Mom. I'm not a child. I use protections.
Protections is not 100% guaranteed.
That's why I double them.
Anyway, a word, they say, is enough for the wise. Stay away from those girls. Stay away from them. Who are you? How did you get in here?
You ask too much questions. Well, I will start by telling you my name. My name is Purity, and I am your guardian angel.
My guardian angel. You are bluffing.
You were asking if you are wicked. And I think I'll answer that question for you. Yes, you are wicked. Why are you suffering the innocent girls? They did nothing to you.
I thought you said you are my guardian angel. If indeed you are my guardian angel, you should have known why I am doing that. If you don't know the reason I am doing that, then so be it.
You need a time out lady and leave vengeance to God.
I don't want to hear anything anymore. I don't believe her.
So, baby, come on, join me now.
Yeah.
To the bed.
No touching the ground.
Wow. Money before touching, like seriously. I thought I already paid for everything.
Well, you have to pay me too.
Well, but I suppose I still get a lot of money for you to be here. Okay, no problem. I'll pay you extra 400k, okay?
Really?
Just do your work. Make me happy. That's
Of course, I'm going to
okay?
make you happy. Trust me.
Just make
That's
me
my
happy.
maiden
That
name.
happiness, that's what I want, okay? I will pay everything, okay?
I'll make you happy.
Go to your work. Thanks, baby. Yeah. Start, wait, let me just...
Hey ladies. Hi. I am sorry for keeping you girls waiting, alright? But guess what? I am taking you girls out today, like right now. Yes. So why don't you all get up, go downstairs, freshen up, change to something nice, then we hit the road. Oh, get up. Thank you. Go dress. Alright, girls. Come on. Hurry up, with your bag.
I know why you're here.
Please, babe. Please, just give me the
Don't you dare baby me. You tried to kill me. Don't kill
Please,
it.
I will
I'm going to kill it.
Babe, I will explain. I will explain to you, please.
What do you have to explain?
Please,
I won't give you the maggot. I am going to kill it.
Please, this is my life. Please. Please don't kill the maggot. Please, I'm begging you. I will do anything. Just save my life, please. Please.
Anything, huh?
Please, I will do anything for you. Please.
Alright. I need the sum of 5 million naira.
Okay, don't worry. I will send you the money.
No?
Don't worry. I will make it 10 million. Please.
I want cash. Right
Can you
now
just give me,
and here.
Just give me a few minutes. Let me go downstairs. I'll get the money for you.
Fine.
Babe, I can't believe you gave 7 million naira.
Yes, he did. As a matter of fact, it's pulling in my bag. Like, I can't wait to leave here. Cash!
Wait, Mr. Cool. What exactly are you going to do with that man?
Babe.
Oh my god, you killed it.
Yes, I did.
Why? I thought you guys had a deal.
Babe, this guy wanted to kill me. Have you forgotten? If I spare him now, he seems to be doing that to other girls.
Messi is right. That bitch deserves to die.
Well, as for me, I can't wait to leave you. I'll spend my money. Like, I'm now a billionaire, guys.
Wait, just wait before you.
Of course.
How?
How? God just make a way. Well, for sure, I know for sure I'm going to leave.
For sure, one day.
So one day I'm going to leave.
Okay, one day.
Yeah?
One day.
One day. Yeah. What's up, baby sis? You look so worried.
Yeah. What's up with you?
I've been thinking.
Thinking about what exactly?
This thing mom is doing to these innocent ladies, don't you think it's affecting us?
I don't get that.
Me either.
I mean, mom's business. It might be affecting us, our future.
Wait a minute. How has mom business got to do with our future? What future?
Nemesis, Steph. Nemesis. She kidnaps people's children, turns them to money-making machine, and brings in different men to sleep with them. Think about it, guys.
Are you asking me if it's right? You should ask mom, not me.
Everybody wants to make money. Oh, yeah. Want to get the best from life. Oh, yeah. But all the glitters and never gold. So open your eyes and see. Follow life with oh, not do pass yourself. Oh, no one knows what tomorrow brings. Be careful what to do. Follow life with oh, not do pass yourself. Oh, inside life no de balance at all. Some are free, some are in bondage because of their quest for money. Then go promise you, say the journey go easy. But wait.
What you doing?
I'm just checking all the pictures for myself. I mean, what's up? Why are you not sleeping?
Ah, man. I've been thinking. Of all the things Vivian said, and I think she's right.
What made you think so?
I mean, look at my life. Since I finished school, I've not been able to get a job. I started a business, and some people from wherever I do not know seized my containers. Yeah, things have been messed up for me. Look at you. You left the States, came back to Nigeria, only to be sleeping with some old man.
Hey!
I'm making a point here, sis. And Vivian left school just like that. Come on, man. Our lives used to be better before Mom started this business.
You know, Val, I'm beginning to see sense in all you're saying, because you can keep people's children hostage. I mean, bring men to sleep with them, kill and punish them if they refuse to, and you expect your children to be doing well. They can never be useful. You made a point. Indeed, dear. Mom is the cause of our predicament. For real.
Man, we need to put an end to this madness before this shit ruins our life forever.
Yeah, you're right.
Everybody wants to make money. Oh, yeah. Want to get the best from life. Oh, yeah. But all the glitters and never gold. So open your eyes and see. Follow life with that.
I believe you girls saw what happened the other day. That's being careless. That's carelessness. You girls should be careful. Be mindful of what you do at all times. I'll be providing you girls a protective techniques every week. You understand what I mean? Do you understand?
Yes.
If you like, use it. If you don't, then you leave it and die. And then you rot in hell. I do not care. Look at them. Your faces looks disgusting. Make me sick. Get out of my face!
Wants to make money. Oh, yeah. Want to get the best from life. Oh, yeah. But all the glitters and never gold. So open your eyes and see. Follow life with that.
Alhaji. Oh, I remember. I'll be with you shortly, okay? See.
Life no dey balance at all.
There is rumor everywhere that you are holding some girls hostage and bringing men to sleep with them. Mom? Who told you that? Does it even matter who told me? Flora, why can't you let go of the past? Let go, for crying out loud. Eh? I did not bring you up this way. What? Kidnapping innocent children? And they pay you huge amount of money to sleep with them. Hey! Abomination. Abomination, Flora. Mom? You know I am still in pain. I know what I went through. Flora Odirachuku. Now listen, no matter what you went through, you can't make it right by what you are presently doing. It's not right, my dear. You have to turn around. Turn around for good. This is an abomination. Look at your children. You want them to be successful, don't you? But how can they be successful when you render other people's children useless? Of course yours will not be, except you retrieve your steps, my dear. You people should let me be. Let me be, for God's sake.
Grandma, if you ask me, I think you should let her be. I believe she will think about what you just told her.
You think so?
Oh yeah, I think so.
Well, Grandma, I really want to say thank you for coming. Yeah, thanks for coming. Please, Grandma, try and talk to her. What she's doing is not right.
Yo, I said it's okay. Alright? Everything is gonna be fine.
No. They have to pay. I will not let go. They must pay.
You really need to let it go. Forgive them and move on, so that things will go well with your children.
What do you know? Do you even know anything? Do you know what I passed through in the years past? I used to love my husband, and my husband loves me so much. I am my husband's best friend. My husband adores me. My husband cherished me so much. Until he started sleeping with underage girls. Everything about my husband changed. Oh!
What is happening? Why are you not happy?
My baby. So you noticed Mom is not happy, right?
Yes.
Okay. Something is actually bothering Mommy. But trust me, I'll get over it, okay? Have you done your homework?
Yes, Mom.
You have to go and sleep because your sisters are sleeping. Okay? So you go to bed right now. Are you not giving me a hug? Good night, baby. Good night. A man is always a man, no matter his age.
Oh, really? No, not that. Listen, I have a strong, deep feelings for you. You understand? You know why I call you my pinchon girl? You know in China, we do love pinchon girls, you know, the one can throw up, down, left, right, and center, you know? You know I'm heavy duty. Oh, that one. Don't forget her. She's too heavy for me to carry. You understand? Don't worry. I have a strong feeling for you, okay? I love you. You understood? You don't have a problem. Anything, just give me a call. So, Mr. Okay. Yeah, okay. Tomorrow, we will have to discuss concerning that project I have at hand, okay? Yeah. Okay, let me talk to you later, okay? Yeah, hi.
Who is she?
Who is who?
The girl you're talking on the phone with.
What nonsense are you talking about?
Stop pretending as if I heard everything you said.
Listen.
You're telling a girl you love her and you have deep feelings for her. What have I done to you, Bernard? Tell me. My knees are on the ground. Where have I gotten it all wrong? Why are you doing this to me? Tell me, where am I going wrong? Let me retrace my step.
Listen, woman. Don't think you can deceive me with this crocodile tears of yours. Do you know how long we've been together, married?
Are you aware that this is for better for worse?
So?
Bernard, I love you so much. Stop cheating on me, please. I beg of you.
Listen, I don't have time for this nonsense you're talking about.
I can stop it if my weight is the problem. If my weight is the problem, I can stop it
Why is my mother always sad these days? God, please help my mother feel better.
My sweet son.
Okay.
How was school today?
That was fine.
That's fine. What's that your best friend's name?
Tekla.
Tekla. Yeah. Did she come to school today?
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice. You told me she's very intelligent.
Yeah.
I hope you are reading with her.
Yeah.
Because when you study with someone who is intelligent, she will impart some knowledge into you.
Okay.
Even the Bible says, iron sharpens iron. Okay? You're already making me proud. And I want you to continue making your mom proud, okay?
Okay.
I love you, son.
I love you too.
Alright, see that.
How are you?
Please, go sleep. Right?
Woman.
Bernard, why are you cheating on me? Why are you cheating on me with a girl old enough to be your own daughter? Why?
What are you talking about?
I am asking you.
Woman, I don't have time for this rubbish.
Bernard, I am asking you.
If you're not in this house, stop asking me crazy questions.
I should stop asking you crazy questions, right? Every day you come back home late, drunk. Why are you doing this to me? Why?
Woman, I don't have time for this rubbish you're talking about. Okay?
Bernard, why are you cheating on me?
Who?
You. Why are you cheating on me with a girl old enough to be your own daughter?
What nonsense are you talking?
All the things you're doing is cracking me up and I don't like them anymore.
Oh, woman, what is your problem?
Huh? What's the reason of sleeping with the underage girl? Why? Why are you doing this to me?
Where are you getting all this crazy information from? Huh? I got home to rest and you here. What's your problem? What's your problem?
How?
Well, I would also want to know how. Then I remember, it's only your brother that sleeps with her whenever he comes in. So, your brother might be responsible for her pregnancy.
Are you sure my brother is? Because I don't think so.
Well, I know how to end all this madness. Bishop!
What are you planning to do with her?
Bishop! Oh! Take this fool far, far away and kill her! What?
Oh, please. Please don't kill her. Have mercy on her, please.
I have made my decision, and my decision is final. Wait. Why are you pleading on her behalf? I thought you said you don't know her.
Yes, I do.